Ruby and Steffi's shoes so you don't trip on. So
Let's dance.
Yeah, there you go. Another girl.
Let's dance. Wow, that's some good dancing. Yeah! That's some good dancing. Are you guys like ballerinas?
No.
Beautiful dancing.
Molly's still eating cereal. It's 11:30. Don't turn it up.
That dancing is the best dancing I've seen all day.
No, I haven't.
Are you guys dancing like Selena Gomez?
No.
Is that how she dances?
No.
You doing your own kind of dance?
I haven't seen it before. Thank
That's
you.
beautiful dancing. You guys are like ballerinas.
They are. That's
You're
some
so
very good
graceful, so elegant and graceful. So beautiful. Beautiful ballerinas.
dancing. Very nice.
Dom, how come you're not dancing?
Yeah, Dommy, where's your
Why don't you
dancing?
get in there and dance?
Get your dancing shoes on.
Colleen doesn't dance so much as she vogues.
Yeah.
She's voguing.
I love it.
She's voguing. She does Vogue.
I love it.
I love Colleen's voguing. It's beautiful. Maria's more of a twirler. She spins.
She danced for me.
So light on her feet.
Yes, thank you.
Strike a pose. There's nothing to it. Vogue.
Give me a run down the hall and back. Ooh, do another one like that. Whoa.
Wow.
Holy smokes. These girls really know how to dance.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. We ran out of music.